Welcome to Coastal RV Center. We're showing you a 2022 Winnebago Adventurer 29. It has 3 slides. It is so clean. Look how clean that water bay is. It's a beautiful coach. Got an Onan 5000 generator. It's got a great outdoor cook kitchen. Doesn't look like the refrigerator's ever been used. Outdoor entertainment. Very nice bays. Awning is in great shape. Looks as clean as it did when they took it home from the dealership. Let's walk on in and see what we got. Got a nice classic white leather interior. Dinette seating. Roll down sunshades and roll down privacy shades. Solid surface countertops with lots of counter space. Both induction and propane for the stove. 12-volt refrigerator. Large bedroom with a queen bed. Lots of storage in this camper. Lots of hanging storage in the bedroom. Let's take a look in the bathroom. Shower. And looks like a pretty nice pantry. Yes, it is. In addition to all the things I've described, it also has a bed above the driver for extra sleeping. Again, it's the 2022, so it has a new V8 chassis. It's a nice motorhome if you're looking for a family motorhome for the summer months. Thank you. Coastal RV Center, Charleston, South Carolina. Have a great day.